Okay, I'm going to do the improper fraction method for both addition and subtraction. You should know that you can also simply add the whole numbers in addition and then add the fraction separately. I'll do that in a separate video. But this method, turning it into an improper fraction, will work for both addition and subtraction. So to turn this into an improper fraction, remember this is 2 wholes and this is 2/3. So 3/3 makes 1 whole. So 2 wholes is 6/3. Now to do that quickly, do the whole number multiplied by the denominator and then add the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8/3. This represents 2 wholes plus 2/3. And here we have 1 whole and 1/6, so that is 6/6, and 1 is 7/6. Now we just have 2 fractions where we have to find the lowest common denominator once more. This one will be 6. Multiply this by 2 and 2 to make 16 over 6 plus 7 over 6 equals 23 over 6. Now you can leave your answer as an improper fraction, but sometimes the question will say please leave your answer as a mixed number, which when we then turn this back into a mixed number. And how many 6's go into 23? We have 3, and 3 6's are 18, so what is left over? 5/6. So both of these are the correct answer. This is as an improper fraction, and this is as a mixed number. Okay, now let's do a subtraction and see if that is any different. Let's just choose, say, 2 and 1/5. Take away 1 and 2/3. Okay, so again, it looks kind of tricky, but let's just turn this into an improper fraction first. 2 times 5 is 10 and 1 is 11. 11/5. Take away, that is 3 and 5/3. We now have to find the lowest common denominator, which in this case we will just multiply the 5 by the 3 and the 3 by the 5 because it is 15. So if we multiply this top and bottom by 3, we get 33 over 15. Take away, multiply that by 5, multiply that by 5, 25 over 15. We're now talking about 15ths. So we just do the top numerator, take away this numerator, and we have 8. 33, take 25 is 8/15. Okay, so this is a way that we can turn mixed numbers into improper fractions so that we can then do a easy lowest common denominator subtraction, or as we saw before, addition, so that we can find the answer.